So we need to prove the following, and it's given that a, b, c, and n, these are numbers which are not equals to 1. We'll start this proof from the left hand side. So here we have log of n with the base of a multiplied to log of n with the base of b. We will use a property of logarithm. That means if we have log a with the base of b, that's equivalent to the reciprocal of log of b with the base of a. Using this property, we can rewrite our first term as 1 divided by log of a with the base of n times log of b with the base of n. Similarly, we can rewrite our second term as log of here b with the base of n multiplied to log of c with the base of n. And our third term will become 1 divided by log of c with the base of n multiplied to log of a with the base of n. Right. Now let's combine these three terms. We will take the least common multiple of the denominator, which is log of a with the base of n times log of b with the base of n times log of c with the base of n. So that means in the numerator we will have log of c with the base of n plus log of b, log of a with the base of n, and the third term will be log of b with the base of n. We can combine the three terms in the numerator with using the property if we have log of a added to log of b, so that's also the same as log of a times b. Right. So that means our numerator will then become log of a, b, c with the base of n divided by log of a with the base of n times log of b with the base of n times log of c with the base of n. Now finally what we'll do, we'll take the reciprocal of each of the logarithm in both the numerator and the denominator. Now that means in the numerator we have, let's rewrite it, 1 divided by log of n with the base of abc, and in the denominator we have 1 divided by log of n with the base of a times 1 over log of n with the base of b times 1 over log of n with the base of c, or simply put it will be log of n with the base of a times log of bn with the base of b times log of n with the base of c divided by log of n with the base of a, b, c, and this is the right hand side. So we have successfully proved our problem.